Hi, it's Code 60 again. Today we're diving into the exciting world of machine learning by predicting customer churn for a telecom company. Customer churn refers to the rate at which customers stop doing business with a company. By predicting churn, businesses can identify at-risk customers and take action to retain them. We'll use the Telco customer churn dataset, a comprehensive collection of customer information. Our goal? To identify which customers are likely to leave the service, so businesses can take action and improve retention. First, we'll pre-process our data by handling missing values and converting columns to appropriate data types. Next, we'll transform our categorical features using one-hot encoding and scale our numerical features for better model performance. With our data ready, we split it into training and testing sets. We'll train a random forest classifier, a powerful and flexible machine learning model that can handle both numerical and categorical data. After training, we'll evaluate our model using accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. These metrics help us understand how well our model predicts customer churn. Finally, we visualize our results with a confusion matrix, showing how many customers were correctly predicted to stay or churn. This gives us valuable insights into our model's performance. By predicting customer churn, businesses can proactively address customer needs, improving satisfaction and reducing churn rates. Stay tuned for more machine learning tutorials, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for updates.